we are move on to the next item, which is give our all to as you do it. I like to plead with the political leaders from this region who are scared stiff of me and scared of the IYM. I want to plead with them that subverting and undermining me is a wasteful exercise. I am using this opportunity to make public for the first time vow I made with God. I will never join any political party as long as I live. I will never accept any political appointment as long as I live. I will never contest for election as long as I live. I will never accept chieftain's title as long as I live. I will never be faithful to my wife all my life. I will never fly first class. I will never acquire or ride in a V8 or V12. These are vows I made. They do not know. So they are scared of my profile, the profile of IYM. Anytime I hold an event, they deploy resources that also be used for something else, subverting it, undermining it, sabotaging it, discouraging people, blocking it, spending time that they would have used. This afternoon, the people sabotaging this event told me when they had this final took off. And tell me, somebody's coming there. I know there are people sabotaging it. I plead with them. For 20 years I've been doing this. I'm 57, almost 60. I'm not joining any political party. Where would I join? Is it when I turn 80 or 90? I have no interest. They should not be scared of me. They should not be scared of IYM. Anytime we have an event, they're watching, undermining, paying. The money they are wasting to subvert and undermine me, they could deploy it and put more in one village. They are wasting their time. For years it's been that way. I suspect that people doing all this are our evil leaders who are agents of the oppressor, who want to give the oppressor the impression that they are in charge of this environment and they will shut down anything that's not favorable to the oppressor. And they are paid and mobilized. That's how they survive from security votes. I plead with them to leave us alone. Some people have honor. Some people don't want to join in this unitary structure. Let me tell you the truth. Why some decent people are not interested in politics in this unitary structure. Every politician in Nigeria is caliphate compliant. If you're not caliphate compliant, if you say bill, they'll vote the government to remove you if you're a commissioner. To belong to Nigerian political structure today, you must be compliant to the wishes of the masters. Nigerian the masters and the slaves. Some of us don't want to be caliphate compliant. You can't be a politician in Nigeria, governor, minister, without being compliant to anyone in Nigeria. Some of them have no honor, people. If, God forbid, Abubakar Shekau or Boko Haram becomes president tomorrow, they will also be PA to Shekau. Some of us have honor. We want to change the structure. So they should not be judging all by their standards. Now, Nigerians I know who, for the fact that once you join politics in Nigeria, you must bow down to receive million poverty and find out it happened. You dare not defend them. In the Nigeria, now touch you. You must bow down and worship them. So one of you are singing. No one like number. There are people who don't want to do that. So they stay for politics. So those who are hustling to do that judge others by their standards. They think everyone wants to be like them. I don't want to play politics. I will never do. I'm almost 60. So when will I join? I'm going to 75 or 85. Why are they scared? Anytime I have an event, they deploy resources to sabotage it, or subvert it, undermine it, block